Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the iQOO and SE regarding the green tint issue problem. Yes friends, I'm getting few comments regarding the green tint issue in the iQOO and SE device and asking me a question that should we replace the device or not. As you can see, friends, the exact comment I'm getting clearly. So if you are facing any kind of green tint issues in the iQOO and SE, try to apply for the replacement as soon as possible. The main reason is because even iQOO 7 phones, they do have the green tint issue problem in the previous history. So definitely friends, the iQOO 7 also got replaced by a lot of other users, and same thing even in the iQOO and SE also. In case if you do feel any kind of green tint problem, try to apply for the replacement as soon as possible within that 7 days of period or 10 days of period, because that will be really easy for you to replace within that kind of time if you have the replacement period which is going on. So my unit that didn't have any kind of green tint issue, not much, but few of the other users, they're actually facing this kind of green tint issue, and for these videos I'm getting the comments as well for the iQOO and SE videos. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends, how many of the users did face this green tint issues and how many of the users, their display were kind of completely okay. Let me know in the comments about your green tint issue problem which is going on in your device. But apply for the replacement as soon as possible. Do not waste the time. Definitely the Amazon, they will try to replace the device as soon as possible, because even they are also aware of this kind of issues which are going on in the iQOO mobile phones, iQOO and SE and iQOO 7 device. Even they'll definitely accept your replacement as soon as possible. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and let's stay for more updates, and bye.